I never get sick of some good slow motion. So cool with the drones. However, please enjoy this because doing this is very problematic, as you're going to learn in this video. And don't worry, I have another shot at the end for you in slow motion so you can really enjoy it, so hang in there. Although I think the Mavic Mini is an absolute gem of a drone, there are some minor drawbacks for the low price point, which I think is acceptable, but let's have a little talk about it today. As you guys have heard me mention in other videos, and you might have even heard me complain when I originally got my Mavic Mini, I ended up returning it within the first 3 days because the gimbal just completely stopped working. You can watch the video, I'll put a link above, but essentially something happened where it just got stuck down and then it started vibrating and it wasn't good. So we went and got another Mavic Mini, and then after not too long of flying, I started experiencing similar issues, but not quite the same. You see, the first one I got was definitely a lemon, but then I realized there's definitely a weak point with the Mavic Mini, and it's this little gimbal. There's a few things you have to look out for. The first thing is dust. You see, I think dust and rocks caused a lot of our issues because those ground takeoffs out here in the desert just kick dust up, and it obviously goes everywhere. It looks so cool. It's so fun to do, especially when you first get a drone. And honestly, I've been doing it with my Mavic 2 for the whole, year plus that I've had it, and I've never really had an issue. But this drone's a different story. The gimbal, see if we can get you guys a good look at it here. It's just very, it's delicate. So, there we go. And there's also a little teeny tiny gap right on each side, and it's just the perfect size for a bunch of sand or dust or whatever to get in there. And there's even times when you can move this and you can almost feel like a crunch or something not good in there, and you can sit there and blow it out and you can literally fix it. It's kind of scary, actually. I wish that part was a little bit more dust proof. Point being, there's a few things you can do to fix this. First of all, I'm going to tell you the things that I won't do. I do not like the long legs. I think they look silly and nerdy. I won't do it, even if they fold up. I'm not ready for it. Not on this little thing. It's too convenient. And the second thing I won't do is carry around a huge landing pad with me because it seems silly to me, and because of my final and third point, that you should be hand launching and hand landing. If you haven't done it, it's very easy. What I recommend is when you open your drone up, and by the way, I should probably go ahead and include this little tip too. In case you're someone who just takes off by pressing the takeoff button, I want you to know you don't need to do that, and there's a much more fun way to do it. This little tip, guys, works with every DJI drone. They all operate very similarly. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take both your sticks and put them down and into the middle, and that starts your motors. This is the fun way to take off, but you want to do that in your hand so that you can start the motors and have it in your hand, and then with your other hand give it a little bit of juice, and I just let it pull out of my hand. Just let it pull on out. And then when you land, you come down over your hand, your drone's going to come down, it's going to sense your hand, and then it's going to kind of stop, and then it's going to land in your hand. That is how hand landings work, because it's always using the sensor. Don't make the mistake I did of when it comes right here, you try and grab it, because it's just going to go full speed and go crazy on you, and maybe even being hilariously embarrassing. I don't know. And then at that point, you can use that same trick of putting both the blades in to stop them if they for some reason don't on their own. I've even seen people kind of flip the drone upside down real quick, but I will say that's hit or miss. I've done it and had it not stop the drone, so there is that. But overall, you know, that's my main advice, guys. This is a great little drone, but you know, you might as well hand launch it if you're somewhere where you're worried there could be dust or rocks, because just know that there is a chance of it getting in there and giving you some issues. Also, you know, besides that, there is just the factor of it's kind of a weak gimbal, and I'm not talking trash about it. You know, it's a little drone, it's super light, but really high winds will mess the gimbal up. I mean, if you're going full speed, you can definitely get gimbal motor or gimbal overload errors, you know, on top of your high wind speed error, which just comes up quite often on these drones if you've ever flown one before. You know, it's not like OcuSync. It's not as good, but it is really, really great. And the thing to keep in mind when using a drone like this is it's recording on the SD card in here. So just because you don't have OcuSync, and when you're flying around there could be, you know, little blips here and there where you lose connection or it lags, just know that it's recording great on here, and it's a good little camera when you know how to use it. So, you know, guys, just take care of your Mavic Mini. They're really delicate little guys. They're tough but delicate, you know what I mean? It's tough, it can take a crash, but it's delicate because a little bit of dust will just mess your gimbal up. But you got to use common sense. You guys know me, I like to have a good time and make the dust go everywhere. So yeah, safe flying, and let's enjoy like one more slow motion video. Yeah, I got another one in here. So cool, guys, thanks for tuning in. Peace.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it's that. Sun's about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Started out with half and I flipped it into double.
Said I'm again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo.
Yeah.
Snakes around my grass, they want my dough though. But I keep a 40, they don't know, no. just ready for them photos.
There's a lot of things on my mind, yeah. Stacking money like 365.